Hello, my name is Annmarie Nicholson and I'm a design engineer at Dyson and I work in the new product innovation team. We'd start with a mind map looking at the different problems with competitor machines and existing Dyson machines. So with the DC39, one of the problems that was recognised is consumers having to bend over to change the cleaner heads into two different modes. So one of the solutions that came out from the mind mapping session when analysing the DC39 was to come up with a trigger which allows you to change the cleaner head settings with your fingertip rather than having to bend down and switch the button every time. Day to day, Dyson new product innovation engineers will typically be sketching out loads of concepts. So looking at one idea, we tend to iterate quite frequently. So we'll sketch out loads of different options of what that solution might look like, and then we'll start building. So we'll build cardboard models and we'll also quickly move into 3D prototyping. So we'll use our computer-aided design CAD stations to CAD up some designs, send them out for 3D prototyping, get them back the next day, and then we can start testing them. So we can test out 5 or 6 different concepts in one go to find out which is the best solution. I really like the blend of creativity and technical. I really like the fact that we can be sketching and that I'm actually allowed to draw in my job. It's actually encouraged. It came up in some of my feedback was that I could draw more, which I think's like great feedback to get in your job, and being very hands-on. So I think it's great that we can be in the lab and be building models, especially building our own ideas. The fact that it's technical as well. So we like building mechanisms and building functional rigs and testing them to see if they're actually giving us a solution to everyday problems. When I was at school, I really loved art and design, so I loved the creativity side of things, drawing, but then the design side of things where we had to build and make prototypes. And with that, I also loved maths and physics. So I found it quite difficult to find a career or courses at university that had a nice blend of all of those things. So it narrowed my options down to architecture or product design. So when I went along to the open days at universities, I just fell in love with the product design course. It was a lot more hands-on, but a really nice blend of engineering and maths and physics as well.